In this video, we are talking about how minimalism can fast-track your financial independence, why your savings rate matters more than your salary, and how cutting unnecessary expenses can help you retire decades earlier.
The average American saves less than 5 cents of every dollar they earn. But if you see a specific group, they were retiring 20 years earlier without earning more. The difference is not what they earn, it is what they decided to stop spending. Lifestyle inflation is the silent wealth killer. The more you earn, the more you spend, and the gap quietly disappears. Now here you can see that the average American saves less than 5% of their income. Now compare that to those in the FIRE movement. They save not 10, 20, but 50 to 70%. Same economy, same tax system. The difference isn't external, it's internal. If you eliminate $1,000 a month, watch what happens. Your financial independence target drops while your wealth compounds in parallel. If we remove the expenses, $1,000 per month, that will become $12,000 per year. Times 25 equals a $300,000 reduction in your financial independence number. Now put $1,000 a month to work and let it earn 7% a year. Year after year, the growth builds on itself. By year 10, that steady habit into about $174,000. Minimalism isn't about cutting back. It's about protecting your money. Because what you don't spend is what compounds. Income goes up. Spending adjusts with it, but savings, it stays flat. That silent shift is lifestyle creep, and it's the reason high earners still struggle to build wealth. When income rises faster than spending, the gap begins to widen. Minimalism protects that gap, and that's where real wealth forms. When it comes to financial independence, one variable matters more than anything else, and most people underestimate it. And that is saving rate. Save just 10% and you could be working for 4 decades. Save 50%, 17 years. Save 70% and freedom drops to under 10. Markets fluctuate. Currencies move. Lifestyle changes. But the math doesn't negotiate. We don't lose wealth all at once. We lose it in small recurring decisions. Minimalism removes financial friction. The fewer financial distractions you carry, the stronger your savings become. On average, that difference is 20 to 30%. Remember, less complexity, more capital.
Minimalism isn't sacrifice, it's strategic subtraction, so your wealth can multiply.
So the fastest path isn't higher salary, it's what % do you save? Comment your savings rate. Follow Daily Hunt for more smart money insights.